This is Michael Beach and Layla with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We want to talk to you again today about mental toughness, the second in our series. Don't be a passenger, my friends. Direct your own career and your own life. Be a driver, not a passenger. Direct yourself and drive towards success, because I guarantee you, success is not looking for you. It is not coming to find you. It's up to you to find it. Second point I will make today about mental toughness. Don't fear the reaper. Remember that song from the 70s? Great song. Retain your strength. Embrace life. Embrace challenge. Embrace change. Continue moving forward and driving towards positive transformational change, and you're going to have a heck of a lot of success. See you next time.